Temu is one of the most popular emerging online marketplaces, with millions of users in more than 22 countries, including 200,000 sellers worldwide. Temu integration is a process of connecting e-commerce software, including order management systems, shipping or inventory management tools with the Temu marketplace. Also, this integration enables software providers to automatically retrieve, add, update, and synchronize important store data, such as products, orders, customers, and inventory in real time. Temu integration is a possibility to ensure Temu sellers' uninterrupted workflows and sustain business advancement with features such as automated product uploads, order import, inventory level synchronization, and shipment tracking. For e-commerce software providers, integrating with Temu presents a valuable opportunity to expand service offerings, attract more clients, and gain a competitive advantage. As the need to have a multi-channel retail environment grows and Temu captures an increasingly large market share, such an integration will make your software relevant and scalable. By offering Temu support, your solution becomes relevant to this audience, which directly increases your potential customer base. With Temu integration, your e-commerce software will be a full-fledged multi-channel solution, future-proof and competitive in 2025 and further. By supporting Temu Marketplace, your software also enables users to expand their sales reach and work with international customers they previously could not access. This opens new growth opportunities, strengthens global presence, and helps build relationships in emerging e-commerce regions. By providing Temu integration, your e-commerce software will be able to attract these sellers who are ready to pay to have time-saving but efficient solutions. This opens additional revenue opportunities through new subscriptions, premium features, or upselling advanced functionalities. Temu integration from scratch often requires significant development resources, ongoing maintenance, and constant monitoring of API updates. By using the correct strategy, software providers will have stable integration despite Temu API updates and maintain real-time synchronization without straining their development teams. API 2Cart offers a unified API solution that simplifies this process by allowing e-commerce software providers to integrate with Temu and 60+ other marketplaces and e-commerce platforms, including Magento, Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, Shopee, Wix, OpenCart, and others at once, all through a single integration. Using API 2Cart, you will be able to get access to the necessary Temu data, such as product listings, orders, inventory, customers, and shipments, without creating and maintaining your own direct connection. This unified API approach reduces development time, lowers long-term maintenance costs, and eliminates the need to constantly adapt to API changes. Contact us today and explore how to develop Temu integration via API 2Cart easily. Test API 2Cart's functionality for robust and effective integration and get a 14-day free trial right now.